Hi internet friends! Today I'm gonna be doing double Bratz makeup on both me and Miles, inspired by Jenna Marbles. Hey! Okay, we're switching pets. She actually made two separate videos. One was double drag makeup, where she did drag makeup on her and her boyfriend, Julien. And the other one she did was Bratz makeup just on Julien. I will link her videos in the description below. Hey Jenna, if you see this, I live right down the street from you. I live at 4321 Internet Street. Please come over to my house, okay? This is the Bratz look we're going for. And I'm gonna start with Miles, so this chick. But I need a towel for my makeup. I just realized that. Thank you. Oh, I forgot my glue.
Oh dear God.
Okay, I've never done this before.
How easy is that to come off?
Very, it's children's glue. Okay, I've never done this before or anything close to this whatsoever. But luckily, I have a really cool person that will let me paint on his face for my own pleasure. Okay.
Oh my God.
It's fine. I'm about to do it to myself too.
Well,
You watched the videos, did you not?
and I heard what's his name screaming.
Julien.
Oh my God.
It's just your eyebrows. It's not even like that big of a deal. What does it feel like?
Gross.
Really?
Yeah. Oh my God. What if I did like this? Will they stay like that?
No. Drag queens do this like every time they have a show.
That is fine for them.
We just gonna see how this works. Stop, it's not done. Like, even close.
Like I've been to the beach and specifically got sand only on my eyes.
I'm gonna take this Aesthetica, I think it's called. It's like off-brand Anastasia. I got it on Amazon. Gonna take this middle color right here and put that over his brows so I can make him a new brow.
Oh my God. This feels even worse. What is this?
It's makeup.
This feels more like glue than the glue. Oh my God. Oh, it looks like...
I gotta put more glue. Can't tell if it makes it better or worse to powder it, but this is hard. Like, fuck. You big baby, this is not that bad. This really doesn't feel like anything. It just feels like somebody's, I don't know, putting their wet finger on your face. That's what it feels like. It feels like somebody has a...
What situation have you ever been in where somebody put their wet finger on your face?
I don't know. I'm sure it's happened. This is hard. You drag queens make it look deceptively easy. Oh my goodness, my eyebrow is not disappearing. How did Jenna Marbles do this? I'm Julien. How? I'm just confused. Either way, we're gonna just make it work. Huh.
Well, that did it. I'll do me.
Okay.
Started waiting for you.
Okay.
I'm scared.
It's okay.
Is this what they call my skin? Almond?
That's a little lighter than you. That's the one that gave you Ghostface Killah face.
You don't even know who Ghostface
No, I don't. Okay, the only problem with this is now I have to make the rest of my face this white.
Wait a minute.
What?
How do you know his name?
Who?
Ghostface Killah.
I feel like everybody knows. Jenna Marbles. Swear to
She
God.
down with the boo?
She referenced him in one of her videos back from a decade ago. She literally taught me everything I know about life.
Oh my
Alright.
God.
See, it's the same problem. It's like it covers it, but that means we have to make your whole face that color. What? Act like I was just gonna leave it there.
No, I just thought, like that video you watch MGK when he got upset, he signs the autograph.
Oh. Yeah, that was funny. Damn, I don't like mine. They don't look good. We look good. We look good.
I look like light skin, full head of hair, Stephen A. Smith. Man, my hairline looks so far back. What if I did like this? Oh my god.
That's why I'm worried about shaving my eyebrows all the way, because my forehead is already big. I will literally just look like Roger from American Dad.
Don't talk about yourself.
Sorry.
Ghostface Killah. You know who says that? ODB. Rest in peace.
See, no white face for you today. See?
Just light and dark.
We're gonna fix it! Jeez. You're doing so good. Doesn't the sponge kind of feel cool though? I think it feels kind of like a face massage.
Body massage.
You would get that if you ever watched Jenna Marble's videos. Hey, please notice me. Okay, my turn. Full coverage. AF.
107.3 The Wave. You ever hear those commercials?
Yeah, of course. My bus driver, when I was in elementary school, used to listen to 107.3 The Wave, and I remember when they took it off the radio. Yeah, but they took it off the radio for a while. And I remember that because my bus driver had to switch stations. This knockoff Anastasia stuff is pretty good, but it's very greasy.
Did you do the makeup which makes me look old?
I would have to watch some YouTube videos, but I could probably,
Do
maybe.
that for me one day
Okay.
before we go to friends' house.
Yeah.
But we gotta act like nothing.
Nothing, yeah.
No boogies.
Now it's time to do contour, and since we're Bratz dolls, we are super dramatic.
Shout out to Christina Applegate. Technically, the Bratz dolls were my first romantic affair. I made them kiss each other.
So did I.
And now we kiss each other.
Okay, let's do your contour.
I'm getting proud of you the way it's on.
Okay, now we're gonna do some eyebrows. We actually gonna get to the eyebrows. Eyebreezies. Eyebrizels. Okay, well this Bratz doll, my girl, she just
Samantha.
got some.
I remember her.
I don't think this is Samantha.
Look it up.
Later I will. She just got some, I can't tell if these are brown or black.
They're black.
We're just gonna do black. All right, this is hard. It's gonna be hard, never done this before. Cool girl. Didn't breathe that whole time. Wait, okay, now I need to do my eyebrows. I almost forgot. Okay, she has brown. It's gonna be kind of weird for me to do brown eyebrows on myself.
Feeling is strong. I'm getting proud of you the way it's on. It's gonna be me. Gonna be me. It's gonna be me.
I know, I hate it too. Yeah.
What is that?
This is pencil for your eyes. It's gonna be bad for a second just to have to make you a new eye. Keep your head still. I'm not gonna hurt you. You have to relax.
Hey, let's just keep my old eyes. How about that?
Then you can't be a Bratz doll. Do you want Jenna Marbles to notice me or not? Look up, please. Look up close. How jacked up that one is.
Oh, sorry. I'm afraid of things going near my eyes, and
I'm
you
not gonna
aren't
hurt
sympathizing.
you. I always am sympathetic. Like, I always tell you that I'm not gonna hurt you. It's just gonna last for a second. It's not gonna last forever, and there's no way that I would ever hurt you doing this. And you messed me up, so you're actually not being sympathetic to my sympathy. This is so creepy because it looks like your eyes are still open right now. Oh my god, that looks so fucking weird. Did you ever picture yourself just spending quality time with your girl like this?
No to both of those.
Relax, please.
Okay. Oh my god. So a song by Adele, never mind if I someone like you. And she says, who would have taught her things would have ended like this?
That's how you feel right now?
Oh yeah.
Well, that's funny because this is just the beginning, Miles, of our long life together doing things exactly like this. Okay, lips! Actually, let me do my eyes first. She said, Mommy usually the one with crazy face paint on. She said, what's going on with Daddy's face today? Okay, lips.
Wow, I don't even know who I am anymore. Very interesting, to say the least.
We're gonna change into our Bratz outfits. I'm gonna do my hair.
Me too.
And and we will be right back. Hey, get down here. Okay, these are the Bratz dolls in their final form. Yes, okay. Actually, you come over here on this side. Which is which? Who is who? I can't even tell. I don't even know. It's almost as if these are just pictures of us right now. I don't even know.
So racist.
This is me. This is me and my girl. Yes. Excellent.
Yep.
And now show off our outfits. Okay. You know, from like really far away, it doesn't look that bad. Like I look like a doll from all the way back here. Bitch, what the fuck? I'm gonna call the police on you. Hey, what's up? It's kind of cool. You kind of look like a doll. Thank you so much for joining me again on my YouTube channel.
Shout out Eric Andre. Heard he's gonna be hosting the Oscars.
Shout out to Jenna Marbles. Come over to my house. 4231 Internet Street. I've been living here my whole life. I don't know how we have never seen each other, how we never crossed paths. Hit me up. Come over to my house. Even though I didn't really go over the makeup products in this video, I will still put them all in the description below. Please follow all of my social media. I will also put that down below. Subscribe!